Super for working from home. Sure. Jairus, are you hurt? What happened to you? You slide? Oh, no, apa di kisa madiha? Duha, sunod na. You don't want to swim na? If you don't want to swim, I will gonna change you na para di ka mag-cold. We're just gonna buy more Band-Aid. Later, ha? Na may balik kay Band-Aid, miss?
Ito lang mo sa
Kaya may ara pa rin sa pila sa tiil.
Pila ka bilog kinanan mo.
Duha. Oo. Thank you. Ha? Mahayang. Mahayang.
Come on, just win the race.
Nalimta na sunblock. Well, yeah, I already asked for Band-Aid, okay? You didn't told me that you have some mud there.
I better go first. Push me up. How about we do like this?
Kaya wa man may tulog, and diretso naman nagbiyahe for the check-up. Dagan kay ko grasya sa Naungon. Tomorrow, stay na lang may Derry. So, ano? So, ako naka-work. Akong bana wala. Kaya you factor koan. Kanang drive. Nauga mo drive na daw po ko balik. So, a day in my life. Mabdos nga dakong gibatsyag. Nga fighting for finance. Lumalaban. Akong tulog po. Andra. Muli kabot og kanang dili straight pa 2 hours. Idlip-idlip ra gyud sa kanan.